Okay, here's my apartment. Not much to it. It's pretty small. Don't judge. It's just me. Kitchen area. Pots and pans, just a few dishes, really enough for just a couple. Before you have to wash again. My desk / dining room. Little couch that turns into a bed, but it's really not that comfortable. My Trivet speaker. Hey, I highly recommend this. If you like Bluetooth speakers with some bang to it, it's got it. First bathroom, which I believe is kind of useless because look how close the door gets to it. You can hardly shut it if you're sitting in there. And look where you are in proximity to everyone else. But if you want to wash your hands, it's okay. Bedroom, again, not much to it. Patio. And television and closet and so on. It's actually a perfect amount of space for me, except I do not like the baby ironing board. It's got a fan. And then main bathroom, I guess. Again, not much to it. And then the patio. I love my view. I love this small patio. It's my little market downstairs where the guys are sitting outside of. Right around the corner. There's a coffee shop a couple of doors up also. Pretty busy street, which I like. I like to hear cars and so on at night. It's kind of soothing, like a fire or a river. Anyway, it's kind of cloudy this morning. Clouds fight to come over the mountains. So you can't see it that well. When it's clear, it's absolutely beautiful, especially at night as well. Anyway, so that's it.